Hi guys, our next video will be about how to divide polynomials. Now in dividing polynomials, we're going to divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial or the divisor. Let's have some examples. Example number 1, 6x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x divided by 2x. Now in here, we're going to divide the polynomial 6x cubed plus 4x squared minus 12x by 2x. So each of the terms here, 6x cubed, 4x squared, and negative 12x will be divided to 2x. So this is equal to 6x cubed divided by 2x, then plus 4x squared over 2x, then negative 12x over 2x. So 6x cubed divided by 2x, so 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then x cubed divided by x, applying law of exponent, we're going to subtract the exponent here. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer here will be x squared. Then plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. X squared divided by x is x. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then negative 12 divided by 2 is negative 6. Then x divided by x is simply 1. So you don't need to write 1. So the answer will be negative 6. Now for number 2, same with number 1, we're going to divide 18x squared y by 3xy. Then negative 12xy divided by 3xy. Now 18 divided by 3, that will be 6. Then x squared divided by x, that will be x. And y divided by y is 1. So your answer here will be 6x. Then 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this will become negative 4. Then x divided by x is 1. So times 1 is simply 4. Then y times y is also, y over y is also 1. So your answer here will be 6x minus 4. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.